This is the Chaos.
Cracking everybody, this is the KhaosDubz channel. I'm your host Chaos, and today I'm going to show you where you can get Photoshop brushes for free. Lots of them. Let's get started. Alright, so today I want to show you where you can get some Photoshop brushes to enhance your creativity, folks. I'm going to leave a link in the bottom of the description there where you can find this website, and it's called Brush Easy. There is a section for free Photoshop brushes, and it is huge, folks. It just goes on and on and on. It says there's 52 pages. I've only got through about 20 of them myself. But basically, I want to show you how to install them. It's going to be a pretty short video, and I want to show you a few of the brushes that I've chosen, just to kind of give you an idea of what's available. So let's get started here. Let's go ahead and choose the mandala ones there. You'll notice are premium ones there, so you can't pick those ones. But let's go and choose, oh, I don't know, grunge. Something I don't have already. Alright, and then you get this page here, and then you go ahead and you click free download. Sometimes it'll come up with this. You can just go ahead and click out of that, and then you can hit free download again, and then it'll take 5 seconds, and you're going to get your download. And then you can just make a folder wherever you like, folks. It doesn't really have to be anywhere specific. Personally, I use one of my Adobe folders for my brushes, of course. So when you download them, it is going to give you a little zip file, and so I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now it's going to give me that zip file. We're going to go ahead and show in folder. Then you go, if you're using 7-zip, you can just go like this and extract here. I would suggest you do use 7-zip. If you're not, it's super easy. And then it's going to give you one of these little files here. So let's see, where's the grunge brushes? Free, where is it here? There it is. Okay, and then yeah, anyway, so you get these files here. You just double click this file, it'll open in Photoshop, and it'll go ahead and add the brush to your menu here. As you see, you got grunge brushes, and I think there was another folder there that I saw, some fire brushes. Go ahead and throw that in there, and it's as simple as that to add them in, folks. So the folder that you have them in isn't really relevant. It doesn't really matter where you're gonna put them. Circular brushes, boom. And now just to give you an idea, so you see I've got a few brushes that I've just made a bit of a abstract thing here. You can see there's a couple skeletons in the background. Show you a skeleton brush here because they're pretty cool. Make them white. Boom. Like they actually have the proper definition. They don't just look super cheeseball, you know. I don't know, I find that pretty cool anyways. Let's see, the circular brushes that we just added here. Let's have a peek. Ooh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look at that. What else we got in here? Right on. Some gooders in here. And let's see what else we got, just to show you a few more here, folks. Dimension brushes. Let's see what that gives us. Oh yeah, those are pretty cool. Let's change the color here. It's not overlapping as much. Lightning brushes. These are pretty cool. Fog. Let's have a look at this. I'm just running through a few here quick for you folks. Oh yeah, that's, I don't know, it's not really what I expected, but that's alright. How about some leather? Boom. That doesn't look so good, but if it's black or whatever, it looks a little better. Abstract smoke. These are pretty cool. They all tend to look pretty realistic, I would say. The concrete ones make for some pretty good backgrounds. Change that up to like a a white. Let's see how that looks. Boom. See, there you go. Gives kind of a marbleized type of feel to it. See disintegration. Oh, let's change the color up on that. Let's make it black now. Boom, there you go. Those are pretty cool. So anyways, like I said, folks, that's where you get your free Photoshop brushes, and there's going to be a link in the description where you can find them and download them and use them to enhance your creativity in this time of quarantine or whatever. You know, there's nothing but time, folks, so I'd like to see what you're going to end up coming up with. Let's see if you're making backgrounds, if you're making art, if you're making logos, what you're doing. Send them in. Show me what you're coming up with, folks. But hey, thanks for tuning in. And I just want to mention before we finish, we're doing Wobble Wednesdays this Wednesday live at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You got me for 2 hours, folks. You know we get into the dubstep, we get into the trap. Sometimes we get into the drum and bass, but we fucking throw down and we give her. And also, this Friday, we're doing our second free music feedback sessions. So ensure that if you are a producer and you want to get your original music feedbacked by our panel of industry experts, you get your tune in. There's links on my DJ page at KhaosDubz, and there's also links on the Wobble Wednesdays Facebook group. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest content and see more from me, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down in the bottom there. Catch you next time.